on the rocks, good on rocks. Maybe like a chill. Sit. Bring people. Not for peace. Come, have fun, eat something.
She's making guac.
You like it?
Let's see what you made.
Quality control, quality control.
Thank you.
You did.
Tomorrow.
I mean, you could have ended up like Steve Irwin.
That's true. I could have ended up like Steve Irwin.
That's literally what I said to her.
Swimming with pigs.
She's obsessed with pigs.
I love animals. I'm doing
She's
the
doing
pig
the pig
swimming.
swimming.
Pig swimming?
What is this? Part 2. Done already. So much alcohol.
The mango puree. This is actually the mango puree. Mango puree is natural mango. You just blend it with a little bit of water. We'll have
I'm on drink 3,
the
by the
lime,
way.
and also the mint into these glasses. So what? And what you have people?
Okay.
One coffee buzzer. And what we're gonna do?
Smush it. She's like,
I don't care. One the apple mango or the water.
do this part.
Fill a little bit of ice cube and avoid the water. So start with the first rule, please. Line wheels.
That's so pretty.
Take it out, Jen. Seriously. No.
She dragged it from over there, mad loud.
We have high chairs, wheelchairs if you need it.
I know my dinner's at 5. Are you serious? I have 2 more drinks.
Expecting you at 5.
Really, I'm gonna throw up on the guy.
I'm gonna throw up on the dolphin.
I gotta put some cannabis liqueur.
Delta 28. What day is today? Delta 6. Delta 6. Delta. Delta.
Tequila bless you. Tequila bless you. Double for you, baby.
Delta. Delta 3.
Drunk every day. Jack, you know.
He's dying! He's dying!
Young ladies, so you know, Uncle Jack.
Uncle Jack. Aunt Colleen.
AC.
AC. Yeah, Aunt Colleen. AC.
That's right.
Cheryl. Colleen. I love you guys. I'm glad we met. This was great. I know. I hope I see you on the boat. I know. What a time.
What a good time. That was so fun.
Good people. I like
Very
nice
fun people.
Jillian's like, they're heckling us. This is post tequila thing. Jillian already spent hella money before. She's like
$50.
She's like, I bought already. God. Oh.
I bought already. It's okay. It's okay.
I bought already.
I bought already.
Manang, I bought it. I already spent money. Manang, I already bought.
First water since 8 a.m.
Yo, for real. We're gonna go to the adult pool because we're lit. Where is it? Here. We're skipping dinner with the family. Go straight that way where that green guy is.
Gentlemen, parade it out, strut your stuff. And our final team is going to be receiving
Can you sign it? Over here. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
They're like, bring the paper now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
It's
See,
serious.
they have, what do you have? A case manager there.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
What's his name? Here, that's
say a case manager.
Activities man. Okay.
Yeah.
here. Thank you. That's your pen.
Oh, that's yours. That's
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Thank you. So
Thank you.
Thank you, Nelly.
Hey.
Activities manager here.
Right here.
Yay!
I need your autograph.
Of course.
It's Disney
It might be
World.
worth $1 one day.
Did it. We did it. We're getting signatures.
I've never game showed before.